guys. All right, what you are going to do today is work on your high frequency words, and you're going to do a little activity that's fun. You're going to get a make, say, check sheet, and you're going to need to get your magnetic letters out, and you're going to be building some of the words that might be a little more challenging for you. So you're going to try and do about 10 words, and you're going to make the word first with a magnetic letter. After you've done that, you put a little check in the first box. Then you're going to mix up the letters and you're going to try and build it again for a second time. After you do that, you're going to put a check in the second box. Then you're going to mix it up one more time. And after that, you're going to put a check in the last box. Then over here on the right side in the last column, you're going to write on your paper what the word is with your pencil. Okay? And that will help you practice writing the word. Then you're going to build your second word and you're going to keep going until you finish all of your paper. When you are done, make sure you put up your magnetic letters and then also turn in your paper when you're done. So this should be a really fun activity and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you also practice building those words that might be a little more challenging. All right, well, have fun.